This program offers a comprehensive training on the all-on-4 concept, supported not only on lectures, but also on the live cases observation, discussion, and hands-on on models and cadavers.
This was designed to take you through both the all-on-4 standards and the hybrid and double zygoma approaches that use zygoma implants with extramaxillar anchorage.
The full-day hands-on session on fresh frozen cadavers will allow you to practice what you have learned with full confidence.
You will get the chance to perform a regular all-on-4 surgery followed by a zygoma surgery with the support of our team that will guide you through all the steps. So, if you want to start performing all-on-4, improve your skills, or to evolve to zygoma cases, this is the right program for you.
Hope to see you soon.